क्या लग गया? मेकअप में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ग्लिटर आ रहा है? उनका भी कर दो यार, वो गेस्ट है। अच्छा
फुल है या
ठीक है, आराम से रख ले पैर पे। मेरे बाहर भी जाएंगे फ्रेम से, कोई बात नहीं, तो स्ट्रेस मत लेना। Okay, hello, welcome to Made to Market. This is my first podcast, तो मुझे honestly पता नहीं है how it goes. You guys can help me because you are at least more experienced than me, if not. So I'll try to keep it as casual as possible. We'll be discussing about marketing for hiring. Okay, that's a very interesting space that we guys will discuss because people generally associate marketing with कि marketing company करने के लिए है, ad के लिए है, revenue लाने के लिए है essentially. But hiring for marketing in today's day and age is becoming very like crucial, right? And you know, to give just an introduction to my audience, I have founding members of Zeco AI. So just like an audience, I'll ask कि क्या है Zeco AI, hiring का क्या है, इतना AI हो गया है, मतलब जस्ट टेल मी, मतलब मैं क्या ही पूछूं इसमें, जस्ट टेल मी क्या है ये Zeco AI, व्हाट इज इट, व्हाट डू यू गाइस डू, हाउ डिड इट स्टार्ट, पूरी शार्क टैंक पिच प्लीज।
तो शार्क टैंक पिंच तो रोनित पता नहीं, मतलब वी हैव नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट, बट हाँ, तो दिस सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज एआई, राइट? तो दिस वर्ल्ड राइट नाउ इज अंडरगोइंग अ मेजर ट्रांजिशन, और इंडिया इज एक्चुअली लीडिंग दैट ट्रांजिशन, इज व्हाट वी बिलीव, एटलीस्ट इन द एआई वर्ल्ड। क्योंकि 2000 अच्छा, बाय द वे हिंदी इज फाइन ना?
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स।
क्योंकि the shift that we saw in 2000s, early 2000, जो .com burst आया था, lot of changes happened. So earlier, अगर मैं इंडिया स्पेसिफिक बोलूँ तो एक इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन था जहाँ पे मेजर जॉब चेंजेस आए, फिर .com की वजह से मेजर जॉब चेंजेस आए। अब जो थर्ड या मे बी कई लोग फोर्थ भी बोल रहे हैं, इज बिकॉज ऑफ एआई। और लॉट ऑफ वर्क जो हम लोग रिपीटेटिव करे जा रहे हैं, कितने सालों से करे जा रहे हैं, नाउ एआई इज एक्चुअली गोइंग टू take care of majority of that work. And मतलब AI is nothing but it is like another .com. जैसे to run a business you need a .com, right? To run a company, a new age business, and not only new age, जो पुरानी companies भी हैं, they're all shifting to AI, and India is leading that in the world in terms of adoption. India is one of the top 2-3 countries. US is far behind in terms of AI adoption. तो basically अगर simple लैंग्वेज में उसको बोला जाए तो अपना काम कैसे ईज करना है और अपने को कैसे शांति से बैठना है, दैट इज व्हाट एआई इज।
ओके, एंड व्हाट इज Zeco AI? द मतलब you obviously as a founder of Zeco AI, don't just tell me what is it, that is very obviously part of it, but कहाँ से शुरू हुआ, why did it start, and क्या है, what is it actually solving for people? Because as I agree with you कि बिल्कुल ठीक बात है, AI is doing this and everything, but थोड़ा buzzword भी होता है, right? सब AI हर चीज में AI डालते हैं, हम भी because we run production, उसमें भी AI आ गया, so AI production companies have come, पता नहीं है वो कितना है क्या है, but everything is integrated with AI. तो what is it that you guys are actually solving?
So maybe
sure please
yeah.
continue.
So so Zeco AI is basically a hiring platform, right?
Yeah.
And so it helps you hire better people, hire with much more easy way of the process, right? So now about the journey, right? We actually started with a platform called MyWays.ai. Both of these platforms are within the same parent company, and we started solving for the fresher level resources. So the biggest problem that is still there is when you hire the fresh talent, you have the access, you can go to campuses, but the numbers are huge, right? Organizations are actually screening more than 5,000, 10,000 applications. Now, how do you identify कि वो 10,000 में से वो 10 लोग कौन से हैं जो मुझे चाहिए? So we started with that at myways.ai, and when we were working on it, and this is 5-year-old, much before the AI was a common thing, right? We built those technologies in house.
तो OGs हो तुम, OGs essentially AI में,
बोल
है ना?
सकते हैं, हाँ, हाँ,
Part of
बोल
the
सकते हैं।
OGs, yeah.
That
We
is
are part of the
you are claiming that, not us. We did not come us from us first.
I'm just being honest. ठीक है.
तो जब इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ हमने काम किया तो हमने देखा यार प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ फ्रेशर की नहीं है, इवन लेटरल लेवल पे भी बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इन हायरिंग। and you spend so many effort. I was reading somewhere around 250 hours to hire one person is average what we spend. Now with that being in place, अभी तक हाँ 2022 से पहले तक technology can solve it, but only a part of it. There has been a major transition that technology can do in this entire process, from talking to your hiring manager or what you're hiring for, to let us say talking to the candidate, taking the interview, to finally taking like onboarding the candidate और उसके exit interviews तक. So our AI agents are observing discussions, and we say that at Zeco AI we reduce the decision makers in the process. So I really like this philosophy. So when Modi ji became the prime minister, he said the first thing that I'm going to do is reduce the number of
हाँ
laws
yes
और
yes
कितने rules हैं वो सब और minimum governance, right?
yeah.
So जितना कम डिसीजन मेकर्स होंगे उतना इंटरेस्टिंग, उतना फास्ट
Fast,
प्रोसेस होगा और
efficient,
उतना
yeah.
एफिशिएंट प्रोसेस होगा. सो वी लॉन्च एआई एजेंट्स टू डू ऑल ऑफ दीज पार्ट्स. एक एआई एजेंट आपसे रिक्वेजिशन समझ रहा है, दूसरा सीवी देख के स्क्रीन कर रहा है, तीसरा लेट अस से इंटरव्यूज ले रहा है, ऑल ऑफ दिस, और चौथा कैप्चर कर रहा है फीडबैक. सो वी काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रीमलाइन दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस, और ये सारे एआई एजेंट्स आपस में बात कर रहे हैं टू बी अ सुपर ब्रेन काइंड ऑफ. तो वो सुपर ब्रेन नोज एवरीथिंग अबाउट योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हायरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस. उसके हिसाब से इट इज स्ट्रीमलाइनिंग, मतलब इन अ सिंपल मैनर.
Got it. And तो they very interesting यार. I mean, more than just the AI thing, I think it's actually solving a real problem जो आजकल everyone is facing, whether it's bigger companies, छोटी companies. And I think that's the thing. And what do you guys like individually do in the company? And मतलब you can
So I like to put it in a very simple way. He gets the business, I retain the business. So see, he looks after from the product angle, he looks after innovation and getting new business, new clients, business development, sort of facing the market. I am more of from a product standpoint, more on performance of the product, and also working with clients, client experience, ensuring that the deployment is good, because adoption, definitely companies want to adopt, but adoption is not so easy because it is changing a lot of practices. बहुत सारे लोगों, even if one person in an HR team is not aligned, right? It changes a lot of things. It reduces the speed, it reduces the priorities, changes the priorities. So I look after majorly implementation and client experience.
यार ये डिवीजन ना जैसे फाउंडर्स या शार्क टैंक में इट्स अ वेरी परफेक्ट डिवीजन ऑफ वर्क. आई मीन जेन्युइनली बिकॉज one gets the business, one operates it in like nascent language, but this is मतलब nice यार. I mean मेरे को एक चीज जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पता चली इज दैट यू आर फ्रॉम आईआईटी, एंड मेरी कभी आईआईटी दिल्ली के किसी पर्सन से 1-to-1 हुई नहीं है, तो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत बड़ी वो बात है दैट आई एम मीटिंग दैट पर्सन. तो I'll bring a couple of things here. एक तो why is क्या है ऐसा आईआईटी दिल्ली में दैट इतने फाउंडर्स, इतना स्टार्टअप वहां पर निकलते हैं, जाते इंजीनियरिंग के लिए हैं, सब फाउंडर बन के निकल रहे हैं. क्या है, इज इट देयर इन समथिंग इन कल्चर? एंड through your journey from IIT Delhi to maybe after that, starting MyWays and then now Zeco, what have you learned about, marketing overall? क्योंकि this is the entire thing, right? कि marketing is not just for business, right? जैसे मैंने starting में बोला, it's for hiring people also आज की डेट में, right? So क्या है, what is it? मतलब there are two parts essentially. One, क्या है IIT में that brings so much entrepreneurs out of it, and क्या है entrepreneurship सीखा? And through your journey, what have you learned about candidates in general, and how can companies market themselves to better outreach to candidates and everything?
श्योर. सो राइट यार, तो मेरे को लगता है कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर एक्चुअली गोइंग इनटू एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, सो दैट्स अ गुड पार्ट. और अगर मैं पिछले लेट अस से 7 साल 8 साल का देखूं तो दैट नंबर हैज इंक्रीज्ड अ लॉट. One of the key pieces I feel is definitely the success of Flipkart, Policy Bazaar, these kind of companies, right? क्योंकि when we look at these people, right, Zomato for that matter, कि हम बोलते हैं यार ये भी इसी हॉस्टल में थे जिसमें हम हैं, और इसी हॉस्टल में बैठ के शायद इन्होंने ये आइडिया स्टार्ट किया या सोचा, या मतलब वहां से निकला है, राइट? तो दिस इज वन जस्ट emotion about being from that institute. Particularly, I think IIT Delhi has been quite good about it, but there are multiple layers to it. day one when I went to IIT, वहाँ पर there's a big Dogra hall that is there. एक movie भी आई थी I think, but about maybe it is Toilet, right? जहाँ पे वो अमिताभ बच्चन आता है और वो बोलता है कि IIT don't study me, I don't study IIT, IIT study me. In that hall, the director, when we are in the institute, right, we all of us are told कि you get into IIT, you'll get so good jobs, आपको 1 करोड़ का पैकेज लगेगा, 2 करोड़ का लगेगा. That's a different story. वो that's not true. But we were expecting, right, director will tell this to us कि भाई congratulations, now you're going to be super rich in your life. Director came in and told us that, hey, now you are here, you don't want to be a job seeker, you're going to be job creators, right? And when you hear this on day one, it creates a lasting impact on you. फिर वहाँ पे इंस्टीट्यूट्स इस तरीके से बिल्ड किए गए हैं, राइट, वेयर लेट्स से फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट फंड्स टू प्रोजेक्ट being funded, curriculum is kind of bit flexible to allow you do all of this. And then your peers, right, they are always thinking about something new. So it's a combination of the institution, the philosophy, the thought process of the leadership, and the culture within the students. जिसकी वजह से I think this number is increasing. और जब मैं when I graduated, I think only 5-6 startups were there when of the students graduating. But now that number has increased a lot. So right, I think this is that part. And the other part of it connected to marketing is I took a class, a lecture of a marketing professor. He's well known in IIT Department of Management Studies. I was very surprised. He told me that even IIT Delhi needs marketing. Right? So अच्छा, we are like कि IIT Delhi को क्यों marketing की ज़रूरत है ना? इंडिया में तो like everyone is talking about best IITs and all. So he said that we also need to create our brand image. So he was teaching those lessons of brand image, branding, and all of that with the real example of why would IIT need it. So IIT is actually expanding outside India. They've opened up their Dubai campus also recently. For all of this, the biggest, so if you look at the QR rankings also, one of the key pieces there is the foreign students in the institute. और वहाँ पर IIT बहुत पीछे है. Now they want to actually get more foreign students also in the entire university, or let's say the institute. उसके लिए they need good branding, and they need to actually change their brand image from a technology institute only to let's say an entrepreneurship institute. जो आप लोग अभी बोल रहे हो कि ऐसा क्या है कि वहाँ से इतना निकल रहा है. It is not only that the results are there, but it also requires branding. वरना results होंगे आपको पता ही नहीं लगेगा. तो everyone needs to know कि it is not only a technology institute. You learn business, you learn life there. So that branding, how do you create that, is what IIT also needs. तो ये मेरे को लगा कि यार आप कितना भी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बना लो, but until unless there is good branding or good marketing being done, people will not realize
The true value.
their true value,
Right.
right? So matlab, the best example that I see was, I think I think I'm not wrong, but I was told this कि washing machine जब पंजाब गई तो लोगों ने उसको किस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ किया. So it was not used for clothes, right?
अच्छा, हाँ.
It was used to make lassi.
अच्छा, nice.
So now how do you
मसाला नमक वमक डाल के, ये आइडिया अच्छा है भाई.
स्केल पे
फंडा.
लस्सी प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है.
ये बहुत अच्छा आइडिया वैसे. Very nice.
तो इसके लिए you need right branding for your product. और कई बार आप प्रोडक्ट किसी चीज के लिए लॉन्च कर रहे हो, but people are liking it for something else. What's the problem? जिसके लिए वो उनको अच्छा लग रहा है, you need to tell other people about it, the other audience about it, and increase the value. So this is a bit about hiring. I think Tanvi will be a better person to talk about.
नहीं, I think this is very interesting because now what मतलब it's the culture that you build in the institute, right? It's not just about कि पढ़ाया क्या जा रहा है technical उसमें, but even the lessons of marketing or entrepreneurship that you told, I think वो चीजें IIT में है. This मतलब really tells कि these things can be adopted by, and imagine if an institute like IIT Delhi is thinking on marketing and branding, तो other institutes को तो और 10x इस level पे सोचना चाहिए to even scale themselves or to get bigger, right? और I think this is मतलब very very creative, मतलब that what you told me. And you know, ठीक है, तो सी IIT से बहुत लोग हायर भी होते हैं, राइट? IIT सब जॉब भी सीख कर रहे हैं, IIT से फाउंडर्स भी बन रहे हैं. लेकिन जो चैलेंज आज की डेट में है, वेदर इट्स IIT या वो छोटा इंस्टीट्यूट हो, is hiring the right way and getting the right talent pool. And you know, I'll come to the bigger companies obviously, but I think सबसे बड़ा challenge आज की डेट में जो MSMEs है, which is actually the bag. No matter how much we appreciate startups, मतलब which is doing great. I mean, I'm not saying that is. I think that's a great contribution to the economy, but MSMEs are backbone of the economy, right? And MSMEs, when they want to scale, right, they struggle a lot in whether it's, so I would put MSMEs and very young startups in same category where they struggle a lot in hiring, getting the right candidate. कोई IIT से अब for example, if you are in IIT or if some of your friends are in, वो क्यों जाके किसी MSME में काम करेगा, right? या वो कहेगा या तो मेरे को फैंसी स्टार्टअप मिल जाए, या मैं क्यों एक एक नॉर्मल सी दुकान है उसका कुछ फ्लोर मैनेजमेंट है, मैं ये क्यों करूं, राइट? सो वहां पर द चैलेंज कम्स अ लॉट, राइट? एंड how do you position your brand or business in such a way that talent gets कि यार मुझे यहाँ काम करना है, right? That is the thing I think biggest challenge, right? What do you think, what you guys have experienced कि how can this be solved?
Hmm. Right, definitely. So I think specifically when it comes to marketing yourself as an employer, it is a very underrated activity. So we have clients who come to us बहुत frequently with different problems when it comes to sourcing या फिर getting the right talent. More often than not, the problem is that there are no eyes to their brand, right? Or to them as a company. People are not looking them at them as an employer. And काफी बार marketing is only focused on their clients. Right, everyone spends on marketing. That's not a hidden fact. But उसमें से कितना portion is going to putting yourself out there as a employer, right? That is also very important. MSMEs में there are traditional companies as well, and there are new age companies as well, started by our generation, maybe a generation up, right? So for example, D2C brands are, most of them are actually family businesses converted now into startups, right? With age old practices. I think at the end of the day, it is about being true to yourself as a company, right? So recently I was talking to one of the candidates, and she had given an interview in a company that had a very bad image. As in कि उसको जाने से पहले 3-4 लोगों ने बोल दिया कि यार बहुत काम करना तो मुश्किल है, it is very difficult to work there, right? तो she gave that interview with the thought of rejecting the offer anyways, कि चलो मैं देख जाती हूँ offer, देख आती हूँ, right? She ended up accepting that offer, right?
अच्छा, okay.
Right? Why? I think it was purely marketing done by the company, right? The company and the owner and the interviewer were honest कि आपको ये सब बातें हमारे बारे में सुनने को मिली होंगी मार्केट में. उसके रीजंस ये हैं. If you are okay with this, then accept the offer. She accepted that offer just because of the pure honesty that that company gave, and also because the company was able to show her a career graph, right? The company was able to show her that okay, there are people in the organizations, how are they, what would, because आज की generation, they are not so fixated on stability as I think हमारी generation या maybe 5 years above us were fixated. They are more focused on the ROI, or what am I going to get out of my 1 year that I'm going to spend with you, right? If you're clear in that communication, no matter what the market is saying about you, what the industry is, you will find the right talent, right? Maybe she was the right fit because even though उन्होंने उसको clearly बताया कि there will be long hours, उन्होंने बताया कि भाई the increment is this much, you will be asked to take ownership of the work that you are not able to do, or whatever the practices were that she had heard bad about. What I was saying was, it matters if you're being your true self, right? Right talent does not always mean the best talent. Right talent sometimes means the one who is right for you. और उसको attract करने के लिए you need to be honest about yourself. And second most important part, apart from being honest, you have to talk about yourself, right? You have to ensure that you're having that communication. If a candidate is walking into the interview, you have to ensure that your job description mentions that okay, candidate के लिए क्या growth possibilities हैं, what is the culture, and even it's okay to also tell hierarchies क्या है company में, what kind of work environment will that candidate has. All of that is very important, I think, for marketing and branding. Apart from putting out the sort of marketing campaigns that Zomatos of the world put out, वो सब important होता है, but not everyone can afford that, right? Not everyone can afford that focus. So instead of the masses, the marketing can also be one-on-one, right? So I think this is one recent example that I saw.
Right. नहीं, I think so that is very interesting क्योंकि this tells us that companies are actually not investing in employer branding and marketing because this one-to-one that you mentioned, ये ऐसे बहुत बार these things must be common कि जब convince कर लेते हैं या you get to understand कि okay vision ये है, but the point is how can you do market this on a larger scale, maybe through LinkedIn या whatever, कि not just showing what company does. Okay, so I'll share an example. Okay, so I was hiring, but I had an interview with this candidate. Okay, and she had given an interview with another conference room या कुछ, and हमने Instagram पे we had celebrated Diwali, right? तो दिवाली की हमने जब वो reel डाली थी बहुत time हो गया था. So she had come and she after the interview she said I asked her any other questions, and she said just said one thing, मुझे ना वो office देखना है जब दिवाली खेल रहे थे, right? So she was excited when she came. Although it didn't work out because of some reasons with her, but she came and she said, "क्या मेरी seat क्या होगी?" Right? Those things. So that's when I realized the power of that you have to market to hire, right? And I think that's what not many companies do. They obviously do for customers and all, which is the like this. That is a no-brainer. But this is something जो मुझे realize हुआ in terms of doing it. But what many recruiters face today is जो marketing भी करनी हो अपनी company की या वो, which is the debate for especially for Gen Zs या freshers कह लो या Gen Zs कह लो अभी के लिए, is around work life balance. ठीक है, सबने बात किया वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, मतलब सीनियर से सीनियर जूनियर से सबका ओपिनियन है और आपका भी ओपिनियन हमें चाहिए इस पे, especially because you are into hiring, you know what kind of mindset candidates are coming in today, right? One thing that you mentioned about entrepreneurs, entrepreneurial mindset हो गया सबका, they're looking for growth, right? कि हमें यहाँ करके क्या long term में growth मिलेगी, right? Can we get that part of equity or ESOP, whatever, through whatever tools. Similarly, there are also many candidates who are looking for यार मेरे को 6 घंटे काम कराओ, जो भी 7 घंटे at whatever, I मतलब I'll go, I don't care, मेरे को इतना करना है, right? But growth भी चाहिए, stability भी चाहिए, work life balance भी चाहिए. तो क्या है, how do we solve for this honestly in terms of both marketing and actually finding the right candidates using say AI tools like yours, right? तो उसपे कैसे, how can we solve for this?
So इस पे Samyak and I usually have very opposite opinions. I take more of a Namita approach, he takes more of a Anupam approach on this. हाँ, तो हमारे बहुत opposite views रहते हैं and we often clash on this in office as well. First,
So tell more about it.
sure.
हाँ.
So I think in general there is a misconception with so there are two facts to it apart from the opinions that are going around, which are whether the candidates should work 70 hours, 80 hours, 90 hours, 40 hours, you know. And there is an opinion on what am I getting in return for it, right? So what I feel globally there is a 40-hour standard work week, right? And that has been going on. But if we look at the countries that have 40-hour work weeks, they are developed nations. And we are still getting there. I'm sure we'll get there. We are finally seeing good signs for it. But to push through that glass ceiling, we need to work harder, right? Harder does not always mean more hours. It often means smarter as well, right? So when I say कि यार आप लोगों को ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा, आज की generation को करना पड़ेगा to push through, it need not be number of hours. And I think that was a missed message that came through. That is where Samyak and I always agree that say when Infosys director or founder is saying that okay 70 hours, he does not mean 70
Yeah,
hours in
work on
office.
Sundays,
हाँ,
what you're
it
doing,
does not mean
looking
कि
at your
office में
wife.
बैठे रहो 24
Hmm.
घंटे. It means that work on yourself, work on improving your skill, work on your time, right? Value the time that you have with you, है ना? और उसको productive बनाने की कोशिश करो, which I think a lot of generation is aligned with. थोड़ा सा woke होने की ज़्यादा आदत है हमारी younger generation को. तो I think अगर हम वही again marketing की बात आ जाती है. So how do you communicate a message to a mass audience, right? If you trigger them, there are controversial opinions, right? Or maybe in a simpler way, if we tell them that okay, and by the way, the generation today is very open to gig work, right? They would rather prefer not having a managerial position, instead working 10 jobs at once in a freelance setup, right? That is more comfortable with the organization, with the candidates. Also because the sense of security is not as important as it was for previous generations, right? Security is by default. मतलब उतना grow कर चुका है हमारा economy कि there is no job scare.
I think I'll just add on to this, right? Particularly जो नई generation है ना, the Gen Zs, इसमें there are two categories of people broadly that we have seen. One is who will work for 70 hours, 80 hours, right? And they will really work the best. The other is who do not really want to work that much. They just want to work the typical 10 to 5, 10 to 6 kind of job. So in my opinion, uh, both of these people will exist. बट जो जेन जी आज की डेट में 70 घंटे या 80 घंटे काम करने के लिए तैयार है, नो वन कैन बीट दैट जेन जी बिकॉज दे हैव द बेस्ट एक्सेस टू टेक्नोलॉजी, दे हैव बेस्ट एक्सेस टू कंटेंट, इफ दे आर हार्ड वर्किंग एंड दे आर एम्बिशियस. इफ अ पर्सन इज नॉट एम्बिशियस दे विल नॉट. तो ये जनरेशन ऐसी नहीं है कि आप एम्बिशियस हो और आप 70 घंटे, आप एम्बिशियस नहीं हो, आपको वो सैलरी चाहिए अगले 20 साल तक और आप 70 घंटे काम कर रहे हो. वो जनरेशन ये नहीं है. इफ दिस जनरेशन इज एक्चुअली वर्किंग फॉर 70 hours, they will want to achieve what all is not achievable by their previous generations.
Yeah.
So if you want to hire those people जो 70 घंटे काम करने को तैयार है, then you also have to pay them accordingly. Pay them, they'll also ask for the right salary, they'll ask for the ESOPs, equity अगर आप छोटी कंपनी हो.
You need to show them that there's an uptick to that effort, right?
Yeah, I think both companies do this. I really agree with this. Either they share ESOPs, equity ka part, or they share, profit sharing. This is also very common that, at least in the agency space, I have seen ki with the core team that they build, they do the profit sharing beyond certain scale and everything. I think that's when
Key piece is again, if you're hiring for someone who is ready to work for 70 hours, do not expect that they will not be ambitious. They will be ambitious and they might leave you tomorrow.
And you will have to
You'll have
match
to-
their ambitions.
Yes. You'll have to tell them, and this is where marketing comes in. You have to tell them what is it that you're giving to them in addition to money. Right? Your generation money tak nahi stuck hai. You have to tell them ki what you are giving to them in addition to money for them to work or put in those 70 hours. But honestly, my opinion on this is until you are, let us say, married, you should actually be working 12 hours, 14 hours. And by work, I mean whatever you are doing does not mean you have to sit in office. You have to work on yourself. Right? I think that has to be there. As a nation, right, we are strong. Our strength is the youth, and this youth has to work
Hard.
that much to grow the country. And again, by work I mean आप जो भी कर रहे हो ऑफिस के बाहर, ऑफिस के टाइम पे, it has to be productive at least during that time. And after that is where maybe work life balance should actually come into picture. Before that, I feel you should just be working on yourself.
Yeah. No, I think मेरा सबसे बड़ा take away from this was what Anand Mahindra said, right? He said very clear thing कि I don't care about the hours, I care about the output, right? And I genuinely believe in that. And because we are into agency and production, तो ना यहाँ ऐसा रहता है कि there are days when you have to work on Sundays also. There are days यहाँ पे Thursday भी खाली बैठे हो, right? Because that's the nature of the business and everything. So I think that's very important कि output क्या है eventually, right? You sit for 12 hours, 18 hours, whatever you do. आउटपुट क्या निकाल कर दे रहे हो? इफ द आउटपुट इज गुड, 4 घंटे में कर दे, आई डोंट थिंक नो वन केयर्स, राइट? एंड दैट्स द माइंडसेट आई थिंक बोथ employers and employees need to adopt, and that's something we can do. See, branding और उसकी बात कर रहे हैं कंपनी की and everything. Recent thing happened with Yes Madam, right? Yes Madam ने they wanted to communicate कि mental health बहुत important है employees की and जो आपके लिए काम कर रहे हैं, and which is true, right? And that thing, how it got, मतलब उनकी लीक ईमेल के थ्रू एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? नाउ होता क्या है इस केस में, कंपनी कहना कुछ और चाहती है, हो कुछ जाता है, राइट? सो हाउ डू यू एक्चुअली इंश्योर एज अ ब्रांड कि आप जो बोलना चाहते हो ब्रांडिंग के लिए, आप अपनी लिमिट वो क्रॉस ना कर दो जो आप नहीं बोल पाओ, राइट? हाउ डू यू गेट राइट मार्केटिंग पीपल टू गेट द गोल सेट राइट फॉर ब्रांडिंग, राइट? क्योंकि इट कैन कम्युनिकेट रॉन्ग ऑल्सो, कि अगर आप ये बार बार दिखा रहे हो कि आपके में, जैसे अगर कोई सपोज कोई एक एम्प्लॉय है विच इज सिटिंग एट 12 आवर्स, उसका मीम बनाकर, जोक बनाकर डाल रहे हो, तो दैट कैन ऑल्सो गो रॉन्ग, राइट? कि जैसे एडिट बहुत एजेंसीज डालती कि एडिटर्स सिटिंग एट 30 रात को 2 बजे भी एडिट कर रहे हैं एंड ऑल दैट. सो दैट कैन बी टेकन एज फनी थिंग, बट दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी थिंकिंग कि हाँ तो भाई एडिटर की तो कोई लाइफ ही है, राइट? दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो हाउ डू यू मेंटेन दैट बैलेंस टू टेल कि काम भी करना है भाई एंड अच्छे से करना है, कल्चर भी अच्छा है, लेकिन मेंटेन दैट बैलेंस. हाउ डू यू इंश्योर दैट एज समवन मार्केटिंग अपने कंटेंट में, व्हाट कैन बी डन?
So I personally think that the strategy was very good. So they wanted to launch a corporate wellness product, and LinkedIn is the best way to get to audiences who are corporates. And So I had called it. So we were internally discussing. मैंने वीडियो भी बनाई थी और हम लोगों ने वीडियो लॉन्च करते समय ही हमें पता था this is a campaign. Of course, we can't publicly just call it out, and we do not want to be a part of that controversy. So the content that I had created was very solution focused. But irrespective, I think it gave the right message on what they wanted to say about the product launch, and the product is doing very good. But eventually what you're asking, I agree with you कि there is a fine line. I think that fine line is very company specific कि वो कंपनी कितना रिस्क अफोर्ड कर सकती है, वो कंपनी कितना रिस्क लेना चाहती है, एंड जितना ज़्यादा रिस्क उतना ज़्यादा रिजल्ट. इवन इन कैंपेन्स आई थिंक यू आर द बेटर पर्सन टू एग्री टू दैट, राइट? So I think in general, I believe controversial marketing campaigns do work if you have the guts to sort of manage the negative comments that you might get and naysayers अगर आपके पास है तो. Coming back to the question that you wanted to ask, how do you portray a balanced image when it comes to mental health, right? So I think at the end of the day, it is a lot of companies are prioritizing health insurance, mental health leaves, and वो सारी चीज़ें are becoming common, right? So I was recently at a conference जहाँ पे there were very senior leaders in the panel, and one of the candidates said that यार मुझे अपने pet के डॉक्टर को दिखाना तो मुझे चाहिए ना छुट्टी, तो why is my employer saying no, right? And the panel said, I'm sure you're under 22.
Yeah.
So he
First
was
world
he was a very
problems.
senior panel from Maruti, retired CHRO from Maruti. So in that sense, there has to be balance from the company side as well, but from the candidate side as well. Nobody is saying no, but as you said, यार काम जब तक हो रहा है, eventually companies also don't care. It is actually about talking about all of that in public, I think.
I think
would have-
there are specific channels when it comes to employer branding, right? So definitely you have to talk about yourself on LinkedIn. You have to tell the good parts about your culture. You also have to tell about, so I call it masculine and feminine cultures, right? Where let's say fun and care about the employees is more of a feminine culture. You have to portray that also, and you also have to portray the quantitative culture of the organization or the data orientation. So if your performance is not there, definitely we're a performance oriented company as well, right? So you have to maintain those, let's say through founders profile, let's say through the company's profile itself, and definitely there are these platforms where the employees
Just to ask you, does founder matter a lot अगर कि in terms of hiring कि यार मैं इस फाउंडर के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, राइट? वेदर इट्स अ स्मॉलर कंपनीज में पर्सनैलिटी इन्वॉल्व हो, और अगर बड़ी कंपनी तो probably the personal brand comes into play. Does that matter a lot?
it
Yes,
matters. So
yes.
so we are in the hiring space, right? We get the best of the talent get hired by the companies, right? What we have seen, at least for ourselves, is, and we have been focusing a lot on our employer branding, particularly with our previous the
Brand
first
name, yeah.
brand name called MyWays. We have been there, and if you Google it, you'll find those reviews on Glassdoor and everywhere. That is important. Now what we realized, we were so busy in launching Zeco and the client side of Zeco that we actually forgot about the employer side of Zeco. Now when we employee side of Zeco. So now when we actually interview candidates, they come and see about, they search about Zeco AI and what employees are saying about it, and they don't find anything, right? So they're like, yaar, ye company nahi hai.
Fishy.
What is it, right? And we don't know. Then we have to tell them that, hey, this is actually the parent company and you need to kind of, so now this is one of my KPIs to focus on employer branding for Zeco as well. So yeah, I think हमारे केस में specifically when we were hiring our initial team, we've hired the best people who would not really like बाकी companies में they were not attracted. When we think about why they're attracted to work with us, is definitely the culture and how the founders are.
Right, the team is not just founder, but who are you working with?
Initial
Yeah.
level, it's about the founders.
I think initial be, I think not just initial, even the top level कि I will be working with Dipender Goyal, you know, चाहे मेरे को 25 लाख रुपए देने पड़े चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ बनने के लिए,
Working with Dipender.
है ना, right? And I'm sure लोग must have been. What do you
Zomato
think
has
about,
done really well, yaar, in
their-
employee branding. I think
Zomato has done in every branding. I mean, उनका killer है. It's like especially even in the employee branding segment you mentioned very nicely, क्योंकि हर जगह उन्होंने kill किया है. मार्केटिंग में व्हाट पीपल फॉरगेट अगेन बिकॉज एम्प्लॉय ब्रांडिंग में बहुत अच्छा किया यार. इवन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम उनकी टीम ही रील्स बना रही है, राइट, मार्केटिंग टीम ही. एंड सो बहुत 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 सही किल किया उन्होंने.
हर कोई ना अपनी कंपनी ब्रांडिंग के ऊपर फोकस कर रहा है फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस स्टैंडपॉइंट, बट Zomato हैज एक्चुअली फोकस्ड ऑन द एम्प्लॉयर ब्रांडिंग.
उन्होंने दोनों साइड फोकस करके दे हैव किल्ड इन बोथ. आई थिंक दे हैव जेन्युइनली मेड इट व्हाट मतलब द पिनिकल ऑफ, हाँ, पिनिकल ऑफ कि भाई ये होती है एम्प्लॉयर ब्रांडिंग, एम्प्लॉय ब्रांडिंग, राइट.
एंड दे हैव टू एक्चुअली अट्रैक्ट द बेस्ट ऑफ द टैलेंट.
Hmm.
मतलब अब आप ये देखो, आप एक ब्रांड हो जो बहुत कॉमनली नोन है, यू आर पेइंग रियली वेल, and now you have to attract the best talent. They cannot do it without employer branding. That's not possible. मतलब कितना भी business बना रहा हो Zomato, जब तक वो ऐसा culture या उसका
उसमें ऐसा हो गया कि people are like, I'm sure कि 25 जो उतने भी 25 लाख थे जो भी थे, people must have given applications, पहुंच गए होंगे. I'll be with you, working with you, and I think that's very very मतलब very great. I think we have two examples of कि how employer marketing should be done and should not be done. कि what Zomato did is also a risk, right? And what Yes Madam did is also a risk, but that risk paid off very well, right?
I think it is also very well aligned with the so I think I'll add on to that. It is also about आप एक incident नहीं कर रहे हो, आपको मल्टीपल इंसिडेंट्स पे, मल्टीपल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे अपनी टीम के बारे में, अपने कल्चर के बारे में बात करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि Zomato के बारे में हर कोई जानता है, तो दे टुक इट वेरी पॉजिटिवली. वर्सेस यस मैडम इज फेयरली न्यू, बहुत ज्यादा भी जानते नहीं है लोग, तो दे टुक इट मोर ऑन अ नेगेटिव सेट. अब वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ करेक्ट. So you have to maintain consistency across platforms, across ages, across years or across months. Yeah.
So I think I'll ask last two questions. Okay. So one is agentic AI, which is the new thing, right? Where Nvidia's founder says कि कल को future is IT companies will be HR companies, HRs, right? जो भी IT department है, they'll be manning AI agents, वो काम करेंगे. तो how does it give you or any other business that power कि वो outsource करें किसी और को in the first place of hiring, right? First thing ये कि how do you think you as a brand or business will survive? Secondly, अब लोग ही hire नहीं होंगे, agents ही hire होंगे, तो आपके पास भी कोई मतलब क्यों ही आएगा, right? So how मतलब क्या what do you think about this?
Right. So let's look at it this way, right? So when .com came in, so agencies, the IT agencies came into business where they were providing resource to provide the IT piece, right? And this is what IT agencies are. With AI agents coming in, we were discussing, and I think that's a hot topic of the town now, that there will be companies providing AI agents
As staff.
instead of as staff. So there will be AI agent staffing agencies rather than
So
the
are you
human
going
staffing
to
agencies.
are you going
We're
to
building AI agents to do that part, right? So a lot of our work is actually about hiring. So what a traditional consulting company would do, we're doing a lot of that, but humanless, without any human. Now the more important question is, what is it that humans are going to do?
Yeah.
Right? This is a very open-ended question, right? This is when, let's say, सबसे पहले कंटेंट राइटर्स, आई थिंक कंटेंट वाज द फर्स्ट पीस जो हमें लगा था कि एआई कभी रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता, एंड इट वाज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट
बिल्कुल रिवर्स हो गया
रिवर्स हो गया. Even engineers are now getting replaced. So I think the lowest most jobs in the value pyramid will exist, and the highest value jobs will. All the mid-level jobs are going to be replaced with AI, and people have to find whether they go up the ladder in the value or they go down the ladder in the value. Everyone would prefer going up, and that is what new age upskilling.
न्यू एज. हाँ, फिर वहाँ पे वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस नहीं देखना बेटा.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है this is going to be more about the meta skills. This is more about how do I talk to people, how do I understand people, right? How do I softer skills. It's going to be more about that, and this is where the Nvidia CEO mentioned that now the IT managers are going to be the HR managers for these AI agents. Because they need to now understand the business better. They now need to understand technology, but the key piece of technology or the function is being done by AI.
एंड आई आल्सो थिंक कि अगर आपकी डोमेन की आप इतनी एक्सपर्टीज बिल्ड कर लो by working hard, right, by working for longer hours, I'm not saying hours wise but quality of wise, कि आप अपनी जैसे सपोज कंटेंट राइटिंग में आप इतने अच्छे हो जाओ कि AI कुछ भी कर ले, आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ दैट कंटेंट है दैट बीट्स एनीथिंग एल्स. You can use AI to make it faster, right? But I think if you can work hard on those skills, आप understand that, तो आप you will automatically move to the 1%. चाहे फिर आप 10 agent लगाओ, 15 agent लगाओ, no one cares.
Correct.
मुझे लगता है that knowledge that you're talking about, right, is eventually used in the form of context.
हाँ.
So, for example, if content writers are also using GPT today, what the role of the content writer is to provide the right context or right context for knowledge से आ रही है, वो
हाँ, हाँ, correct,
experience से आ
correct.
रही है,
Context
right?
means a lot. Yeah.
So AI agents definitely are customizable, right? And they need that context from humans. Eventually वो build होगा, humans will add context, AI agents are smarter, they learn repeatedly, but eventually that experience when we say कि यार knowledge gain करो, मेहनत करो, that mehnat is context, how you're able to look at multiple perspectives at once, how you're able to think beyond self, right? तो हम लोग कंपनी में काफ़ी बात करते हैं expanding beyond self. तो me for myself is just me, but I expand my definition of self and I include, let's say, my co-founder in it. Then I expand it further, I include my company in it, I include my employees in it, I include my family in it. So I am expanding myself. The more you expand your definition of self, the more context you're able to.
Yeah, no, I think that's a very great mechanism to work around it, and I think that's very interesting to see कि अब क्या होगा future में. And you know, one of the things that I remember, I saw this one very senior marketer in US said that, you know, अभी भी जो 80% of content blogs पे आ रहा है is now very AI, तो उसकी viewership कम है. लेकिन the people who are using human plus AI thing, उसकी viewership ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि वो एक specific insight उसको देते हैं, उसको sharp करा देते हैं चाहे, लेकिन वो एक ऐसी चीज़ देते हैं जो उसकी story है that gets maximum even in blogs. तो क्योंकि सब ब्लॉग्स पे डाले आ रहे हैं, बट नो वन इज रीडिंग, राइट? बट बिकॉज वो इतना पर्सनल है, एवरीवन रीड इट. सो
I think observation is also important, right? How keen is your observation about your client? Let us say if you are a marketing agency, or let us say if you are a marketer, how keen is your observation about your business, right? That is the key piece when it comes to marketing.
And I think that can be built when you work a lot and with the experience and everything, right? Yeah, cool. So I think we'll do last two questions. Last question, in fact, when we'll do a small rapid fire. ठीक है? So last question is कि if you have any question for me, वैसे तो I don't think ऐसा कुछ है कि I ask question answer type, but if you have anything question for me, I can ask, and then we'll do the final rapid fire thing. If you have anything.
So, see, when we are talking about marketing in hiring and made to market specifically, right? What I have always been curious about is marketing takes a lot of effort. मतलब it's जैसे हम लोगों ने भी discuss भी किया कि consistency is key. So even we have started employer branding, and since you have given us a public platform to ask this question, so in general, how does one maintain that consistency or sort of figure out their voice? And in your experience, what helps a brand figure out their voice? Because positioning बहुत important है यार, मतलब at the end of the day. तो उस पे what are your thoughts?
Okay, so there are multiple thoughts. Okay, see, to figure out a voice, it has to come from the founder. ठीक है, first. Then when the voice in कि यार मेरे को initially ये communicate करना है something, right? Then you give it to someone, ठीक है, who knows something better, to clear कि यार मुझे ये चीज़ है, yes yes है, no no है. Then let them do what they want to do. ठीक है, give them 10 रील डाल, 20 रील डाल, let them do what they want to do. The more you do it, you will get the audience का ये views ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, you'll automatically figure अच्छा ये मेरा pillar है, ये मेरा pillar है, उस पे double down करके you go on it, right? So you have to give that freedom to the audience कि, through your team, whosoever doing, whether it's an agency doing it, whether it's an employee doing it, you have to give that voice. Whether you as a personal brand, you know, trying to create content, you have to give them that space कि करो, ये मेरे को लग रहा है ऐसी चीज कम्युनिकेट करनी चाहिए, इसके अराउंड बनाओ, फिर let them do it. You will automatically figure अच्छा ये मेरे लिए ठीक है, this can get me business, this I know views कम है लेकिन ये शायद सही है, and then you collate and then double down, and that's how you create your voice, right? जैसे we worked with this brand or Shark Tank India brand Nuki. तो when they had come to us, उन्होंने बड़ी, because that's a sexual wellness, उन्होंने बड़े cheap memes सब कुछ ट्राई किया होता, लेकिन उनको नहीं समझ आता because founder के दिमाग में था. But when it came to us, our writer actually developed that, and when they first read the scripts, they were very happy because we captured that voice, right? Because उनके दिमाग में था, but you need someone to take that voice forward, right? And one more thing is कि marketing में ना what people are not realizing is, सब कहते हैं marketing तो आज के डेट में cheap है, right? छोटे हो, marketing is cheap to start, right? it's actually becoming very expensive today to do marketing, and you have to do it because attention is there, right? So the bigger you grow, the more you have to invest in marketing. So Zomato will be on every platform. They will be creating ads. They'll be doing celebrity things. They'll be doing 100 cheezein. Because it is the more you grow, the more attention you need, the more you have to invest in marketing. क्योंकि वो लगता है starting के लिए cheap है, 10 Instagram reel बना दो, but आप एक stagnate कर जाओगे. Scale करना है तो marketing भी scale करनी पड़ेगी.
Cool. I think last we do the rapid fire kind of a thing.
Okay, let's get ready.
So pipe we'll have just 5-6 questions है, ठीक है? Both of you have to answer एक एक करके, ठीक है? So short, bold takes, ठीक है? Let's go.
Right.
Hiring in India is broken. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agreed.
ठीक है. Hiring from IIT, IIMs, etc. top institutes basically, genuinely better or just a little fad?
I think it's fad.
It's a fact.
It's a fad.
Okay. Work-life balance is a myth for startups. True or false?
True. I think false.
Okay.
I think it's false.
Why do you say that?
So
One line.
I think it's about age. So if you're well, as I mentioned, right? If you are married, then definitely the startup should also kind of.
Or you have a family with
You have a family, right? Or yeah, I think married would be the wrong word. If you have a family to take care of, startups do understand that.
ठीक है. And मतलब as Ashneer says कि यार 22 साल में शादी कर लो फिर startup बनाओ वो.
Yeah, I disagree.
21 साल में शादी कर लो फिर बनाओ startup. फिर तो हो गया काम sorted है. Anyways, last. Should companies reveal salaries in job postings?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Okay. AI will replace 50% of hiring managers in the next decade. Possible or no? Yes or no?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Okay. I guess that's it. Thank you so much. It was a great podcast. It was mera pehla tha, so I don't know. But it was fun
I
to
love
talk
your
to.
energy.
I wish we could match. I wish we could match the energy.
That's okay. That's okay. I mean, it was fun. And I think what key takeaways is कि जो employer branding is very important, and I think brands have to start investing if they want to get right team, because team के बिना कुछ नहीं है, right? Everything is built by the team, right? Which yes, you need a core team to run a business, and that's what I think. For that you need employer branding. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.